Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a quick impromptu dessert. In a bowl, you're going to add a cup and a half of Greek yogurt. You can get vanilla or add a little splash of vanilla extract to it. So there's a cup and a half. And for each portion, which are going to be these little square dishes, I add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. So we're having 3 portions, so 3 heaping teaspoons of cocoa, which also is a good prebiotic. Then you're going to mix it up. It's going to be like a chocolate mousse. You don't really need to add sugar because the yogurt, if it's flavored with vanilla or if it's vanilla extract, it'll be sweet enough. Once you put it in the bowls, you can top it off with some coconut or sprinkles or cherry. I'm going to have a little splash of Chambord, not for you kids. Or you can use raspberry syrup. Put it in the freezer for the time that you start eating dinner. And then when you're done with dinner, you're going to dive in. This is my fake chocolate mousse. Thank you for watching.